If YouTube playlists are not your thing, you can find this course and more at paul.unfgames.com. It's easier to follow along and know where you left off. Now, let's start the video. Let's talk a little bit about functions. Here we created a pickup function that we should use when the actor is picked up. And this is my event that is triggering my pickup logic. So let's use it. Let's just drag and drop this function. We can find it from here also. Picked up. Here it is. And I'm gonna put this logic inside my function. We can do it like this and copy and paste, double click on my function, paste it here, and now it will work exactly the same. Or I could also, and this one is easier, let's delete my pickup function. I'm gonna select every node I want inside the function, right click it, and collapse to function. I'm gonna call it picked up. I'm gonna call it the same. And now if I double click my new function, I will have the nodes here. Pretty cool, right? So now I can do some stuff with my function. If I needed to change the behavior, maybe I do not want to be an overlap. Maybe I want to interact with the pickup. I don't know, like press E to use the pickup. Then I could just create the event. Maybe I want to press E. This keyboard, and here there is the letter E. When I press it, I want to pick it up. So I can just copy and paste it, and it will work. So we should have exactly the same thing right now.